Good morning, trader. A double bull spread in options is a limited risk, limited reward bullish strategy created by combining a bull call spread with a bull put spread on the same expiry. You can apply the same structures conceptually to liquid regulated crypto options listed on US venues, but you must respect US crypto derivatives regulations and exchange rules. Market Semolian +3. 1. Double bull spread. Core idea structures long lower strike call, short higher strike call, short higher strike put, long lower strike put, all same expiry. That is 4 leg call strikes above and put strikes below current price with equal distance between call strikes and put strikes. Fine securities +1. View bull moderately bullish. You expect the underlying stock or crypto to move up or stay in a middle zone without a hedge cross. Market Same Leon +1. Pay up profit and loss. Both capped maximum profit price. Expires above upper call strike. Maximum loss if it's expiry below. Lower put strikes when securities +1. Break even if set at roughly zero cost. Break even band is the region where all options expiry worthless between lower call and upper put. Second example with a crypto underlying. Assume a regulated US exchange list physically or cash settled Bitcoin options. Spot BTC $100,000. Just an example. So strike price long call $105,000, short call $110,000, short put $95,000, long put $90,000. All four are same expiry. You receive a small net credit or pay or a small debit depending on a option strike price, creating defined maximum profit and maximum loss as described above. Market Semolian +1. This is structurally identical to an equity double bull spread. The difference in crypto is exchange margining rules, liquidity, and the fact that US regulation may require trading via registered platforms and under clear CFTC or SEC rules that are still evolving in 2026. Finance Yahoo +1. Third, US regulatory contest for crypto options. Lawmakers are pushing market structures bills to clarify which crypto assets are securities versus commodities and to give the CFTC clearer authority over many crypto derivatives. DL News +1. New rules and state laws. For example, California's digital financial assets law impose licensing the conduct requirements on firms dealing with US residents. Practically, only US regulated venues that are allowed to list crypto options. Expect position limits, higher margin, and product by product approvals. Fourth, 5 US companies fundamental plus government support and plus deals below are 5 names where there is explicit or strong government involvement, support, and corporate actions, funding, stakes, or acquisition that can drive profit growth in 2026. These are examples, not personal investment advice. Overview table, company name and theme, government support, and how to they grow angle. First name is Intel, INTC, Semiconductors. US government converted CHIPS Act funding into roughly a 10% equity subsidies. CapEx can boost capacity and lower units cost, supporting margins and earning over time. And second, L3 Harris, LSX rocket motor unit, defense federal investment in rocket in motor capacity that convert into equity, and planned IPO of the unit. 247 watts defense demands plus co-investment can scale production and profits from missile system. Third company, Rare Earth USAR. This is minerals product. Administration taking $1.6 billion stake funding plus loan to secure US critical minerals supply. Fortune T-backed caps long-term demand for rare earths and stock, and already up strongly in 2026. Third company is Jacobs Engineering Consulting Company, completed acquisitions of remaining. Full control allows integration synergies, cross-selling, government support, growth angle. Stake in PA Consulting March 2026 for about 1.2 billion equivalent. Higher consulting margin over time. Third, fourth and fifth, Alphabet or Google. Fifth, Nvidia, tech with strong fundamentals, identifies as gold standard, growth, stability, scale, cash generation and leadership in AI. And fifth company, Nvidia, government support, name with the dominant position and strong balance sheet. Digital infrastructures are fuel long-term profit growth. Motilal Oswal, this is the for your 5 companies requirement. You can state Alphabet and Nvidia has 2 separate stocks in the same strong fundamentals bucket, that is Motilal Oswal. Fifth, how these companies may grow profit. Intel is massive CHIPS Act support lowers effective cost of new fabs and incentives on slow productions, higher volumes and improved pricing in a tight chip market on lift earnings cyclically. L3 Harris rocket motor business, federal capital targeted at critical missile components supports higher utilization and gives visibility on long-term defense contracts, stabilizing cash flows. USA rare earth direct equity grants and loans from the government de-risk a capital intensive project, while high prices and strategic demanding for rare earths can expand margins. Third, Jacobs buying it out the rest of PA Consulting consolidates profits that were previously minority owned, and integration can cut overlapping costs and deepen relationship in government and infrastructure projects. Alphabet and Nvidia, fourth and fifth company, cash rich balance sheet and leadership in search, cloud, video and AI data center chips allow heavy R&D and acquisitions while still compounding a ring. This is Motilal Uspa. Please like, subscribe and comment. Another 2 minutes video is there. That is your hot touch video. I think you will find out what is what company.
The double bull spread is an advanced options trading strategy designed to benefit from moderate upward movements in the price of an underlying asset. This approach combines a bullish call spread and a bullish put spread, creating a position that seeks to maximize gains while limiting potential losses. To construct the double bull spread, traders buy a call option at a lower strike price and sell another call at a higher strike, while simultaneously buying a put at a higher strike and selling a put at a lower strike, all with the same expiration date. The risk-reward profile of this strategy is balanced. Profits are capped if the asset rises significantly, but losses are also limited if the price falls. This makes the double bull spread appealing for investors who anticipate a moderate rather than dramatic price increase. The United States crypto market has seen notable advancements, particularly through government-backed initiatives and integration with traditional finance. In March 2025, the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve was established by executive order, positioning Bitcoin as a national reserve asset and signaling deeper government involvement in digital currencies. Later that year, the U.S. Tech Force Program was launched to recruit engineers from leading crypto companies, fostering collaboration between the government and the industry. Crypto-backed mortgages have also emerged, allowing borrowers to use digital assets like Bitcoin or USDPC as collateral for Fannie Mae-backed loans, further bridging the gap between crypto and conventional financial products. Investors seeking exposure to digital assets can consider stocks such as Strategy Inc., formerly MicroStrategy, Coinbase Global Inc., ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and Kraken, all of which play significant roles in the evolving crypto landscape. The double bull spread is an advanced option strategy used in U.S. crypto markets to
Please create ads, only create ads. Google ads, subscribe, plus your channel is grow. This is not affiliated program. This is our friendly program. Please like, share and subscribe, comment. Thank you friends. We will meet next video.